Robot vacuums can cost a lot of money if you are looking for advanced cleaning features such as having more suction power, auto dust empty, and mop pad drying. But thankfully, we're going to talk about one today that doesn't break the bank. This is the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni. One thing that I really like about this robot vacuum is the compact base station, which doesn't take up a lot of my living room floor and is great for small apartments. The robot vacuum itself is also slim enough so that it can go under cabinets and sofas with no issues. Now, you might be asking why there aren't mop pads under the robot. That's because unlike conventional robot vacuums that uses dual mop pads, the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni uses the OZMO Roller 3.0 that has pressurized self-washing and rinses as it mops the floor. It has been extended by 1.5 cm than the previous model. It uses a high-density microfiber material that has enhanced water retention so that it can clean longer on a single rinse. The mop extends up to 27 meters for mopping corners, which is really unique. The roller is washed up to 200 times per minute and has a 10 Newton downward scrubbing force, leaving no mess behind when it cleans stubborn stain and sticky mess, which makes it more effective than mop pads. I'm also happy that I can set the wash temperature based on my room type and soil level to achieve the level of cleaning that I want. I find this really useful when mopping my kitchen, where the floor is usually oily and most robot vacuums would have failed to mop properly. The DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni has excellent suction power with ECOVACS BLAST Technology, which delivers an impressive 30,000 PA suction power and a large airflow that takes in large particles with ease. And most importantly, it isn't noisy at all that wouldn't disturb your household. With the new IV3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance system and sensors, the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni can identify small obstacles at a distance and avoid it along its route. The main and side brushes come with Zero Tangle 4.0 technology that ensures no hair gets tangled. While the wheels of the robot features a true pass adaptive 4-wheel drive that helps it move past thresholds and uneven transitions, which really gives a peace of mind when it comes to maintenance. Every time the robot vacuum goes back to its charging station to wash and rinse the roller, it fast charges with power boost and can restore 10% of power in a mere 3 minutes. That's a pretty insane charging speed for a robot vacuum, and imagine how useful it would be if you're using it to clean bigger homes. You would have lesser wait times in case the battery runs low, and this translates into faster cleaning times. And if you are worried about fast charging killing the battery faster, the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni uses an EV-grade pouch battery that can withstand 150% more charging cycles than conventional robot vacuum batteries. The DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni's charging station does a lot more after it is docked that reduces user intervention, including automatically washing the roller mop with pressurized fresh water, drying the roller mop with hot air to prevent moisture and bacteria, and even empties the dustbin of the robot to the station's dust bag that can last up to 60 days, which really saves a lot of convenience. Moreover, I find the water tanks to be easily removable and they are not clunky at all, which makes it very easy to maintain for female users. You also don't need to add your own cleaning detergent, as the charging station has a dedicated tank for distributing suitable amount of detergent to the robot vacuum every time it cleans, so the clean water tank stays free of detergent residue. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni is a really different kind of robot vacuum that I have used, and I'm particularly impressed with the use of a roller brush instead of mop pads for cleaning the floor. It totally beats having a wet and dry vacuum cleaner when it can clean my home autonomously while not requiring much user maintenance, which is really important for those with busy lifestyles. So that's all for my thoughts on the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.